To change pin on any Samsung device, first of all navigate to your settings application right here and scroll down until you find lock screen. Lock screen is right here, just click on that, and on the top you can see lock screen and biometrics. Just click on that, and on this screen you will need to enter your current password, current pin, or whatever you have set. Enter your current password, and after that you can select new pin, new password, new pattern, whatever you want. In my case I will select new pin and enter your new password. After that tap on continue, tap on use anyway, and you have to re-enter your new password. After that tap on OK, and your new pin has been set successfully. Let's try that. Lock your device and open once again, and it is asking for my new pin. So that's how you can easily change pin on any Samsung device. So that's for this video. If this video helps, subscribe.